Hi everybody, I just wanted to jump on here to show you how to sign up as a VIP for Monat. You will want to go to the website of the person that shared this with you. Mine is sarahtaylor.mymonat.com. Once you get there, you're going to click on customer, and then I want you to click on become a VIP. You have an option of your enrollment. I'm going to choose the US enrollment. And then to become a VIP, you will need to choose products for your enrollment offer. It must be at least $84. Typically, a lot of people start with systems, so I'm just going to go ahead and start with that. You can start with whatever you want with the price of $84. But the systems, you usually get 3 items, maybe 2, depending, for $84. I'm just going to pick the volume system for right now, so I'm going to click Add to Cart. So as you can see, if you look over here, you're going to pay the one time in your life $19.99 fee plus the $84 today. So that's going to have a subtotal of $103.99. And what you're going to do is add some promotional items for free. So add your only for you item. So if you click on that, there's 3 options for this month. You can get the air dry cream, the clarifying shampoo, or the new CC cream. I'm just going to click the air dry cream for now. And you can add some free sample items. So you want to go ahead and click on that. Again, this is all just free extra stuff. So you have all these options. It looks like there's 8 different options. I'm going to choose this Heavenly Hydrating Mask because it's new. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to the cart. So you should see today's order subtotal, then your free items. And then when you're done, you're going to click continue. On the next page, for the second step, you're going to create a flex ship. Flex ships is just more product that you will receive sometime eventually in the future. Couple things to note, your flex ship also has to be at least $84. The second thing you'll notice is you want to select your next flex ship date. So today it looks like it's September 8th. So I can go out 60 days at the most. So I'm going to go out to about November 8th. November 9th is the furthest it will let me go. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now, just a side note, you can always go in and log in later and keep pushing it back, keep pushing it back, keep pushing it back until you need something. And the opposite, you can always push it up when you need something sooner. So that's always an option. I always put this date in my phone or somewhere, write it down, so that way I have it ready to go. But Monat does send you an email about a week before the flex ship will come out, so you can log in to either edit what you want. So this flex ship, the product that we're going to choose, it doesn't have to be the same thing. You can always log back in later and change it, and then you can always log in and push the date out or move it forward, like I said. But the flex ship does have to be 84. I love the Rejuvenique oil. It's amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in my flex ship, but there are a ton of options here. So once you're done with that, you have, again, your purchase today, your free promotional items today, and then your flex ship total. Once you've got that, you're going to click continue. And then on the next page, you're going to put in your personal information. So you just want to make sure you have the correct sponsor. You'll put your name, birthday, gender, email, username, and password. Okay, this is super important. Just like anything, when you create usernames, you really want to write it down, save it somewhere, your username and your password, because that's how you will be able to log in again at some point to check on your flex ship. I'm going to go ahead and pause it just so I can put in some information. And then when you're done, you're going to click continue. Get to the next page will be your billing and shipping, and then the final page will be review and submit. So you can see on this page you have your billing information, your address, and all of that. And once you're done, like I said, you'll click continue, and then on the final page it'll just be a review of everything, and then you will submit it. And I think that's all I'm going to show you for today. If you have any questions, please let me know.